I'm Meryl, founder and CEO of Be Ninjas. In yesterday's video, we looked at what the chart of accounts is, where to find it in Xero, and we discussed the fact that you may want to edit these accounts, archive some or create new ones so that you can customize your chart of accounts. The next step, once you have customized your chart of accounts, is to make sure that you're coding consistently to these accounts. And I'm going to give you an example of what something might look like if you're not coding consistently, and then how you may go about fixing that. In this tab, I have a profit and loss statement open in Xero. And often, if you're looking at comparatives month on month, you'll be looking to see consistency. And where there's not consistency, then you would go to have a look, or you go and look into why. You may also set expectations about what you know has happened in the business or what you're expecting to see before you look at the numbers. And having that mindset will help you to identify what may be missing or what doesn't look right. In this case, I'm looking at the consulting and accounting line item, and I can see $49 in there every month apart from in December. And I know that this is a direct debit. I'm going to log in and I can see that that's the fees. And I know that I've been charged every month, and I know that I was using the software in December. So to me, this looks like it's probably a coding issue, and we may not have coded the Xero costs to the appropriate account for this particular month. I scroll down and I can see $49 in subscriptions. And so I'm going to click into that, and I can see that this is the Xero transaction. And the next step would be to go and edit this transaction and recode it to the appropriate place. That is just one example of how inconsistent coding can actually skew your numbers here. And you may be looking at the profit and loss statement to make decisions or identify where you may have overspent in a particular month. But if you haven't allocated the transactions accurately and consistently, then you may be making that decision on data that's not accurate. In our upcoming Improve Your Cash Flow coaching program that is launching over the coming weeks, we will be spending some time on how you can actually ensure that you have consistent coding within your business. And one of those steps is, first of all, identifying your custom chart of accounts, but the next is actually defining what goes into each of those accounts. And we'll be spending some time on that during the course. I also wanted to bring attention our Xero toolkit, and you can find that at beninjas.com/Xero toolkit. And this is a free download which has some ideas around things that you can improve in your Xero file. See you again in tomorrow's video. Thanks.